Hello everyone, myself Nandhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, KSR College of Arts and Science for Women, Tiruchendur. Today we are going to discuss about the subject Computer Network, Unit 3, 4 and 5 topics. First, elementary data link protocols. Protocol in the data link layer are designed so that this layer can perform its basic function, framing, error control and flow control. Framing is the process of dividing bit streams from physical layer into data frames whose size ranges from a few hundred to a few thousand bytes. Error control mechanisms deals with transition errors and retransmission of the corrupted and lost frames. Flow control regulates speed of the delivery and so that a faster sender does not drown a slower receiver. Sliding window protocols. The sliding window is a technique for sending multiple frames at a time. In this technique, each frame has sent from the sequence number. The sequence numbers are used to find the missing data in the receiver end. The purpose of the sliding window technique is to avoid duplicate data, so it uses the sequence number. Sliding window protocols. The sliding window is a technique for sending multiple frames at a time. It controls the data packets between the two devices where reliable and gradual delivery of the data frames is needed. It is also used in TCP. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. In this technique, each frame has sent from the sequence number. The sequence numbers are used to find the missing data in the receiver end. The purpose of the sliding window technique is to avoid duplicate data, so it is used the sequence number. Types of sliding window protocol. Sliding window protocol has two types. First one, go back and ARQ, selective repeat ARQ. Channel allocation problem. Channel allocation is a process in which a single channel is divided and allotted to multiple users in order to carry user-specific tasks. There are users quantity may vary every time in the process task place. If there are n number of users and the channel is divided into n equal sized sub-channels, each user is assigned one partition. If the number of users are small and don't vary at times, then frequency division multiplexing can be used as it is a simple and efficient channel bandwidth allocating technique. Channel allocation schemes. Channel allocation may be done using two schemes: static channel allocation, dynamic channel allocation. Static channel allocation. In static channel allocation scheme, a fixed partition of the frequencies channel is allotted to each user. For n competing users, the bandwidth is divided into n channels using frequency division, multiplexing FDM, and each partition is assigned to one user. Dynamic channel allocation. In dynamic channel allocation scheme, frequency bands are not permanently assigned to the users. Instead, channels are allotted to users dynamically as needed from the central pool. The allocation is done considering a number of parameters so that transmission interference is minimized. This allocation scheme is optimizes bandwidth usage and result is faster transmissions. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is universal for short range wireless voice and data communication. It is a wireless personal area network WPAN technology and is used for exchanging data over smaller distance. This technology was invented by the Ericsson in 1994 that operates in the unlicensed and industrial scientific and medical band from 2.4 GHz to 2.4485 GHz. Maximum devices that can be connected at the same times are 7. IP protocol. IP stands for Internet Protocol. It is a protocol defined in the TCP/IP model used for sending the packet from the source to destination. The main task of IP is to deliver the packets from the source to the destination based on the IP addresses available in the packet headers. IP defines the packet structure that hides the data which is to be delivered as well as the addressing method that labels the datagram with a source and destination information. IP addresses. An IP address is the identifier that enables your device to send or receive the data packets across the internet. It holds the information related to your location and therefore making devices available for two-way communication. The internet requires a process to disconnect between different networks, routers, and websites. Therefore, IP addresses provide the mechanism of the doing so, and it forms the indissoluble part in the working of the internet. Internet Control Protocol. Internet Control Message Protocol (ICMP) works in the network layer of the OSI model and the internet layer of the TCP/IP model. It is used to send control message to network devices and host. Router and another network devices monitor the operation of the network. When an error occurs, the devices send a message using ICMP. Messages that can be sent include destination unreachable, time exceeded, and echo request. That's all. Thank you. Thanks for watching.